Hi all, hope you are doing well. So I'm back with another video after a long time. Due to some circumstances, I'm unable to make the new videos. So I'm back with another topic, that is how to be a role model. So, and how to transform yourself as a role model. First of all, we need to give time to ourselves to decide at what things we are good at. And we have to work for making things in our way and ignore the things which are not relevant to you, and identifying your own talent and working to make yourself better and good at anything is the thing you want. And you should always be an initiator of good things, which makes you more stronger and more wiser. This will make people believe in you and make you a role model. Role model in the sense, you should be ideal to all the people in all the activities, right from knowledge to all the necessary skills which you need to transform your life. And always share your ideas with people around you and try to implement them. Always strive for the best thing in your life. Role model in the sense, you should be the first priority for the work in which you are skilled enough. Instead of clapping for the role models around you, you can strive for being a role model and become a role model and guide and motivate people with your own thoughts. Don't give people a chance to judge you, because judging is not the correct way, and you should not give the chance for the people to judge you, because they are not the one who will give food or whatever it may be to you. So they are not here to judge you. If they judge you, keep calm, stay calm, and don't give them chance from next time to judge you. You need not worry about the people's opinions, because see, every time when you care about people's opinions, when the opinion is good about you, you can go forward and you can go ahead and you can be inspirational and you can take it as a positive thing. But whenever the opinion is a negative one, you are unable to take it and you cannot go forward after from people. So you just be yourself, and that will lead people by your way. No need of highlighting every time you do a thing. See, some people are there, they'll highlight themselves every time they do anything. So this is not necessary if you are doing a right thing. See, if you are doing a right thing, no need of highlighting yourself. People are only enough for you to highlight. So you need not highlight yourself anymore. And it's about the content that the thing which is done by you contains. So if the content is right enough, you will highlight automatically, no need of specially highlighting. So if the content is connecting to the people, no need of forcing things to listen by them. It's the potential in the content draws the people attention to you. So need not worry about things that doesn't matter you and doesn't help you in transforming your life. But just focus on things which are meant for you and which will help you in transforming yourself as a role model. Role model can be in any field. Getting success means transforming yourself better in the field you are specialist in. The energy drives you towards becoming a role model is the positive energy to vibe. So be positive always, finally ending with a good quote that being alone teach things to reach things. So being alone doesn't mean that you have lost everything. That means you are giving time for updating yourself to the best possible version. Everything needs an update. So as like that, it's time for you to update. Give time to yourself for examining yourself and giving the best possible things to yourself. Be happy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.